Thanks for stopping out to the shop. We're working on my brother's TJ again. If you didn't see the other video I did, there's a link in one of these corners somewhere. What we're working on today is not the shock mount again. I know in the last video I had said I'm going to replace that shock mount with an actual full replacement bracket, and I'm going to do that. However, while I was working on it, I found a few other things that I needed to address, and I needed to address pretty quickly. I needed to take care of the axle movement. The bushings in the control arms just appeared to be shot. So every time you would shift, the axle would move around in a way that just, it seemed like that was causing some problems. And when you would drive this thing at certain points in the RPMs and while you were shifting, you would get a clunk and vibrations. And that's what scared me a little bit more than anything else, because that's the type of thing that will blow out U-joints, damage bearings, and make fillings fall out of your teeth. So I got some new parts. We are going to put them in today, and we're going to take it for a test drive and see how it does. If that works out pretty well, then the next thing we'll tackle again is we'll replace the shock mounts. I'll show you. This is what they look like. And we'll put those on. But I don't think we're going to do that today. Today, we're just going to do the lower control arms and call it good for now. Oh, and my brother's going to be here. He's going to help me do some of this stuff, so if I forget to film something, my bad. Anyway, come along. We'll see you in a minute.
shop, as you'll see here in a second. I didn't film an outro, so we did take all the control arms out. We put all the control arms back in. If you do them one at a time like that, it goes pretty smoothly. We're going to take it for a little drive. It drove much better. The axle wasn't flopping around anymore. The vibrations are basically gone, and we are all set. Thanks again for stopping out. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Like and subscribe if you want. We'll see you again soon.